Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your fingerprint sensor is not working on your Samsung Galaxy A3. The first thing you could try would be to try and clean your fingerprint sensor. It is this button, it acts as a home button too. If this doesn't help, you could want to go into settings, here into biometrics and security, in here fingerprint scanner. Draw your pattern or a password and try putting the finger that is not working on your scanner here. If it doesn't light up any options, that means it's not being detected or it's the wrong finger. If it detects the proper finger, it's going to light up the given option. Now, if your fingerprints aren't working, you could try removing the old fingerprint and then adding a new one to try and possibly fix the issue for that. Just go through the standard process, which on this phone can be quite annoying if it doesn't properly decide to accept you placing your finger. Adding it from different angles too could be useful. And click done. If you want to, then turn on fingerprint unlock if that's what you want. Then you can try using your fingerprint to unlock your phone. See if it works. If it works, then great. If it doesn't, if it still doesn't work or didn't let you properly scan your finger for this option in the first place, you could try removing your screen protector to try and see if maybe it's interfering with your screen's ability to read your fingerprint. But I doubt you have a screen protector that would be covering the sensor. Next, you could try also going into settings, software update, and try to check if you have any updates to your system that need to be done. If you don't, that could mean the sensor is damaged and you might need to go to a service station where they could have a look at it. If this video was helpful to you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.